Welcome to Logic Networks. Are you in need of a quality IT services provider? Is your current IT department meeting or exceeding your company goals? Or perhaps you're tired of self-managing your own IT operations? At Logic Networks, we are a complete one-stop solution for all your IT needs. Logic Networks is a full IT service provider offering solutions such as cloud services, secured backups and recovery, cybersecurity, VoIP for business, managed IT, and more. Our full array of professional services and qualified engineers can make all the difference for your business operations. We also offer a free initial IT consultation, which can eventually help us to create customized recommendations, proposals, and IT solutions that will meet the short and long-term goals of your business. Productive employees, happy customers, and the success of your business is our primary objective. Learn how Logic Networks can enhance your IT operations by visiting logicnetworks.us or call us at 617-982-2070 and schedule your free IT consultation today. Logic Networks, moving your IT operations in the right direction.